Hi, can we interrupt you for a quick interview? It's just 23 questions.
Hi, yes, of course.
For those who may not know, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Lisa Genco Fisher. I'm one of the senior quality assurance managers here at Forge.
Give us the 30,000-foot overview. What does quality mean here at Forge?
Our quality unit here ensures that our manufacturing processes, drug product, and release go without a hitch.
Why is quality such a large function in a CDMO environment?
In a nutshell, we make sure that our products are going out to the patients with safety in mind. This function reaches every part of the organization.
Where do you fit into the quality organization specifically?
Yeah, I manage our quality assurance tech ops team. We partner with the labs to ensure that our drug products are tested and released within specifications.
I have to ask, is that Elphaba from Wicked?
Oh, yes. Elphaba, Wicked, one of my favorite musicals. I've been a lifelong theater fan.
So, if you were in a musical, what role would you play?
I'd be the stage manager, actually. Now that I think about it, it's very similar to the role I play here at Forge.
Okay, I need you to explain that. How is QA like being a stage manager?
Yeah, the stage managers, make sure everyone's hitting their marks, that there's no deviations to the script, that everyone, is keeping safety in mind. We do very much the same here with the drug products.
So is that what you're doing on the manufacturing floor?
Yes, the FDA sets the guidelines that CDMOs must follow, and we adhere to those.
Interesting. I'd love to see it in action.
Yeah, actually, I have to go meet Mike. Offo, do you want to come?
I'd love to. Let's go. You were telling us about the FDA's guidelines. Are they the script that your team follows?
They are. Our script are our batch records, our test methods, all of our processes that we have put in place to ensure that we're making our clients great quality drugs.
Stage managers collaborate with everyone. Actors, musicians, lighting, costumes. Do you work cross-functionally like that?
We do. We work with many of the departments here. In fact, there's Mike. Hey, Mike, come over here.
Hey, Lisa. What's going on? You're usually behind the scenes.
I am, but today I am the star of the show.
Of course you are. Hey, we do have to get together still, but
yeah,
I'll let you have fun with this.
Cool. Thank you.
Who are some of your closest collaborators?
Well, aside from project management, we work with quality control, analytical development, process development, supply chain, manufacturing support. The list goes on. We collaborate with everyone here.
Let's walk through the QA process. I imagine there's a lot that happens before the show even begins.
There is. We have to ensure all of our processes are in place, our records are approved and effective, our test methods are effective, everyone's trained on them, everything to ensure that we're making good quality products.
I see. In theater, there's no improvising if you want a polished performance. Is there room for improvisation in manufacturing?
Oh, no, not at all. We have to follow our batch records, methods, SOPs to the T. Any improvising could create an unsafe product for our clients.
With analytics upstream and downstream, oh my, AV manufacturing must generate a mountain of data. How do you keep track of it all?
Yeah, we have our quality management system, Viva, where we house all of our quality documents, in addition to our LIMS system.
What exactly is LIMS?
LIMS is our laboratory information management system. It houses all of our analytical data. It can track and trend all of the data, and it also generates a COA.
Cool. Well, what is a COA?
A COA, our certificate of analysis.
Interesting.
Oh, I gotta go. Have to go to the doc room.
A quick fun question. Is that your puppies I saw on your screen?
Yes, Penny and Stella. They bring me so much joy. They're my favorite audience at the end of the day. They make me laugh. I just love them so much. All right, gotta go to the doc room. Come on. Welcome to the doc room.
Gotta stick to my own script. So back to quality. What happens if someone on your team finds something that isn't quite right?
Just like a stage manager would stop a rehearsal if there was a safety concern, QA can prevent the release of a product if something is out of specification.
Once all the data is approved and the batch is released, what happens next?
Yeah, we verify everything is in our systems and all of the documents get archived here in our document room.
In today's world, is that paper trail still required?
It is. The FDA requires regular record retention. As you can imagine, this room has a lot of traffic in it every day.
I bet. I noticed your tattoo. Do Do you mind sharing the story behind it?
Yeah, it's in honor of my cousin Ben. He was born with a rare disease, heterotaxy syndrome, and had 3 open heart surgeries by the time he was 5. Unfortunately, we lost him at the age of 22. Losing him was terrible.
I'm sorry to hear that. That must give you a very personal connection to the work that you do here.
Yeah, his life inspired me to find a career where I could bring hope to families like his and others. There are so many people affected by genetic diseases that can be helped with the products we make here. I'm happy to be a part of that.
As a fellow theater lover, frequently in the audience, I'm grateful for all the behind-the-scenes work that stage managers do. And now I'm grateful for QA too.
Thanks. Right? Was that a question? Time's up. I have to go find Mike.
The show must go on. Thanks, Lisa.
Thanks. Bye.